Have you ever been unsure about when to use words like can, could, should, must, or might? These are called modal verbs, and they help us express things like ability, advice, possibility, and rules. In today's lesson, I'll walk you through each step by step. Welcome back to Lina English Studio. In this video, we're going to explore 5 modal verbs that are used all the time in English. You'll learn what they mean, how to use them, and see examples that make everything clear. Let's begin with can. We use can to talk about things someone is able to do, or when asking for permission. Here are some examples. I can speak Japanese. This shows ability. Can I open the window? This is a way to ask if it's okay. It can be noisy in the city. This shows something that's possible. Now let's move on to could. Could is often used to talk about ability in the past, or to make polite requests. It also shows possibility, but in a softer way. For example, she could read when she was 4, that's past ability. Could you pass the salt? That's a polite question. It could be a long meeting, that means it's possible. Next is should. We use should when giving advice or saying what's the right thing to do. It can also show what we expect to happen. Examples: you should get some rest, that's advice. The bus should be here soon, that's an expectation. We should talk to the teacher, that's a suggestion. Let's continue with must. Must is used when something is very important or necessary. It also shows strong belief or certainty. Examples: you must wear a helmet, that's a rule. He must be hungry, that means we're sure, based on the situation. Finally, we have might. Might is used when something is possible, but we're not sure. It's less certain than could or may. Examples: I might go out later. That means it's possible, but not definite. She might not answer her phone. That means there's a chance she won't. Here's something to keep in mind. Modal verbs are followed by the base form of the verb. We say they can cook, not they can cooks. To make them negative, just add not. You should not skip breakfast. He might not come today. Let's quickly review. Can is for ability and permission. Could is for past ability and polite requests. Should is for advice and expectations. Must is for strong rules or certainty. Might is for possibility when we're unsure. Try making your own examples using these modal verbs. Say them out loud and listen to how they sound. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next lesson on Lina English Studio.